Children, today I am going to start the last topic of the chapter, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. And today's topic is components of health related fitness. Children, what is the topic of the day? Components of health related fitness. Children, you have seen in the last video I had taught you the components of fitness, but today's question is components of health related fitness. Children, there are five areas of health related fitness, and these areas of health related fitness are often used in there are five areas of health related fitness, and these areas of the health related fitness are often used in where? Our school system, health clubs, and fitness centers. Okay, these areas of the health related fitness are often used in our school system, health clubs and fitness centers. In our school systems, children increases the demand of endurance. Which type of the endurance? Cardiovascular endurance, muscular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, body composition. These are most important in our school days. Health clubs, without it we cannot perform any physical activities. And fitness centers also. Why? To perform our regular activities Okay, these health related fitness, these health related fitness make us total sorry totally fit. Okay, so these components are cardiovascular endurance, muscular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, and body composition. But you have seen in the components of the physical fitness, there are 5 components in the physical fitness: strength, endurance, flexibility, coordination, and speed. But in the health related fitness, cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, and body composition. So children, one by one I will discuss about the all these components. Children, what is the cardiovascular endurance or heart or the lung endurance? Cardiovascular, in the image I have given here the cardiovascular endurance. Cardiovascular endurance, also here the cardiovascular endurance are heart and lungs endurance. Children, cardiovascular endurance is the ability of the heart and lungs to work together to provide the needed oxygen. Cardiovascular endurance is the ability of the heart and lungs to work together to provide the needed oxygen. Without oxygen, we cannot perform any activities. And fuel to the body during sustained physical activities. In other words, we can tell the cardiovascular endurance is the ability to exercise the entire body for long period of time. In other words, we can tell cardiovascular endurance is the ability to exercise the entire body for the long period of time. It requires to perform these exercises. It requires a strong heart and healthy lungs and clear blood vessels to supply. To perform the exercises, it requires a strong heart. When we suffer from the heart disease or unhealthy lungs, we cannot perform any activities. So, it requires a strong heart, healthy lungs and clear blood vessels to supply oxygen. Children, activities to improve fitness in these areas. The activities to improve fitness in this area included running, jumping, swimming and aerobics. These activities, running, jumping, swimming and aerobics are the best exercises to improve cardiovascular endurance. And a person must do these activities. A person must do these activities continuously for a minimum of 20 minutes. Okay, the activity should not be less than 20 minutes per day. Then we can develop the cardiovascular endurance or the heart and the lung endurance. The second component of muscular strength, the second component of the health related fitness is muscular strength. Children, what is the muscular strength? Muscular strength is the amount of force a muscle can produce. A muscular strength is the amount of force a muscle can produce. It is often measured by how much weight you can lift. Okay, muscular strength is the amount of force a muscle can produce, and it is often measured by how much weight you can lift. People with strength have problem like backaches and carry out their daily tasks efficiently. Those people performing it face a problem of the backache, back pain, and carry out their daily task efficiently. Children, some exercises are best to improve muscular strength are bench press, leg press, push-ups, weight lifting, pull-ups, and the push-up test is mostly used to test muscular strength. Push-up is a type of the test mostly used to test or check the muscular strength. I will teach you practically the method of the push-ups when school will open. Okay, children, the third component of the health related fitness is muscular endurance. Children, what is the muscular endurance? It is the ability of the muscles to perform any activity continuously without getting fatigue. Muscular endurance is the ability of the muscles to perform any activity continuously without getting fatigue. I have discussed many times in the last questions. What is the fatigue? Fatigue is tiredness. Children, people with good muscular endurance are likely to have better posture and have less back problems and to resist fatigue. That people who have lack muscular endurance. Okay, it is the ability of the muscles to perform any activity continuously without getting fatigue is muscular endurance. People with good muscular endurance are likely to have better posture, have less back problem, and to resist fatigue that people who have lack muscular endurance. Children, to develop the muscular endurance, cycling, lifting weight, sit-ups, and stepping is the best exercises. Cycling, lifting weights, sit-ups, and stepping. Stepping you can perform in the stairs also are the best activities for the development of the muscular endurance. Children, to test muscular endurance, check muscular endurance. Sit up is performed. Okay, so sit up is the test mostly we used to test muscular endurance. Okay, in the next component of the health related fitness is flexibility. Children, no change in the last flexibility and today's flexibility. So what is the flexibility? Children, it is the ability of each joint to move through the maximum range of motion for a specific joint. Okay, it is the ability of each joint to move through the maximum range of the motion for a specific joint is flexibility. In other words, we can tell it is the ability in other words, it is the ability to use your joint fully. In other words, it is the ability to use your joints fully is flexibility. Children, when our muscles extended enough and joints are free enough to allow movement, people with good flexibility. Children, stretching is a type of activity before and after activities will help to improve flexibility. Means stretching is the good exercise and it should be performed by everyone before and after activities, will help to develop flexibility. Children, to check or to test flexibility, seat and reach test. These are the tests I will demonstrate you when school will open. Seat and reach test and trunk lift. 2 exercises used to test flexibility. Okay, seat and reach test and trunk lift used to test flexibility. Children, last component of health related fitness is body composition. Okay, children, what is the body composition? Body composition is the amount of fat mass compared to lean muscle mass, bone and organs. Body composition is the amount of fat mass compared to lean muscles mass, bone and organs. Children, people who have a high percentage of fat are likely to be ill and have a higher death rate than lean people. People who have the high percentage of fat means those people are obese, likely to be ill and have a higher death rate than lean people. Those are thin or slim. Children, exercise and eating the right food in the proper amounts can improve body composition. Exercise is best and eating the right food please avoid to take the oily or fatty foods. It will improve your body composition. So how you will take? Our body is good. Children, body composition can be measured using a instrument called, children, you know the instrument that is used to measure the body composition. The name is skin fold caliper. When skill will open, I will display. Okay, or it can be, or it can be calculated by using the BMI. Children, what is BMI? BMI is the good method to check the fitness. BMI is body mass index. Through this formula, you can check your fitness. BMI is equal to weight, it should be in kilogram, upon height square. Height should be in meters. When you will get your answer, for men, means you can check your fitness or body composition through the help of BMI. For men, when you will get your BMI between 20 to 25 for men and 19 to 24 for women, indicates healthy range. Okay, so BMI is the good formula. And what is the body composition? Body composition is the amount of fat mass compared to lean muscle mass, bone and organs, and it can be measured through a instrument known by skin fold caliper, or you can calculate your fitness through the help of the BMI. Children, today's topic has completed. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.